Good morning, classroom three. Okay, good morning, classroom three. Today I am going English, Spanish, math rhymes you could do with the children. I'm gonna email it to you, and here is the index I'm showing you. We have numerous, we have a lot of rhymes actually that you could do with the children. We have rhymes counting up to 5, counting to 10, counting to 20. So if your child only counts up to 5, that's okay because that's our a 3-year-old level. But so you could do these poems right here, counting up to 5 is in all the poems in nursery rhymes are in Spanish and English. Um, and if you want to push them, a little of the, or they could count up more to 5, you could do up to 10, so on and so on, go up to 20. Um, if you want to, try to get them to count more. But I could scroll down and we could do the first one. And some of the rhymes they don't have a specific rhythm to go with it, but when you read it, you could make your own rhythm, or I just use a rhythm that I'm familiar with. So we could do the first one. It's called berries. 1 berry, 2 berries, 3 berries, 4. I bought fresh berries from the store. Blueberries, blackberry, raspberries too. I saved the strawberries just for you. And if you scroll down, we have it in Spanish. I'm not going to even say it in Spanish because my Spanish is horrible. So I'll just show you that it is in Spanish. You could try to do the rhythm that I just did. You could add clapping, stomping to make it fun with the children. We could do, let's see, we could do another one. We could do this one. One little bug was playing a song. Two little bugs were dancing along. Together, what a noise they made, marching in the bug parade. Three little bugs were on the ground. Four little bugs were lounging around. Together, resting in the shade, cheering on the bug parade. We could do one more. And here you go. It's in Spanish. Let me see. Scroll down in the English and Spanish. Let's see. Let's find one more poem that I'm not keep saying poem rhymes. Rhymes. I'm gonna do this dinosaur one because I know a specific person in our class that loves talking about dinosaurs. And so this one is just for him and all the other children that love talking about dinosaurs. 5 toy dinosaurs on the show. I can name 5 all by myself. Sagittarius, Allosaurus, and T-Rex. Apatosaurus, Brachiosaurus with long necks. I name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's too bad dinosaurs didn't survive. That one's a little hard. I don't know if I even pronounced it right, but it's just the fact that we're talking about dinosaurs, um, which is what I know the class is one particular student in our class love talking about dinosaurs, so this may be a good one for him. But so here you go. So just go over. You could do one a day. You could write them on paper. You could color it. You could print it out if you have a printer at home, and you could post it around their rooms and go over with them the rhymes every day. And here go one more. 1 banana with whipped cream. 2 bananas with whipped cream. 3 bananas with whipped cream. Go enough to eat. 4 bananas with whipped ice cream. 4 bananas with ice cream. 6 bananas with ice cream. What a tasty treat. 7 bananas with everything, 8 bananas with everything, 9 bananas with everything, dessert that can't be beat. So, so here we have a rhyme that go up to 9. Again, any rhythm, any rhythm you would like to use, you can make it fun. Um, for this one, you could actually make a sundae at home with them and cut up slices of bananas and add the bananas and the whipped cream. Okay, this is just another little fun activity you could do at home. Again, if you do this, please, please, please send pictures, videos of your child doing this. I would really appreciate it. Again, if you have any questions, concerns, you can reach me at my email or the number that I text. Thank you.